Hello everyone. So here is your assignment. As I said, you need to prepare a paper on the CSR activities of one particular company. Each and everyone will get a different company. So how to prepare this particular assignment? Let's see. This is the front page. Mangalore University Field Marshal Camp Karyappa College Madikeri, Department of Postgraduate Studies in Commerce. Then a paper on study of CSR activities of dash 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 company. The company's full name should be there. For example, TCS, Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Okay, that like that you should mention. Author, your name, your registration number, class, FM KMC College Madikeri, then date and place. Here index is there, you know what to write in index. Then chapter 1 will come. It's about introduction of CSR. This particular part is common for each and every paper. For everyone you can write the same thing. So you need to mention about the Companies Act 2013. As I said, Companies Act 2013 says each and every company, either a public or private, either a Indian or the foreign branch, should perform the CSR activities provided if it is fulfilled the conditions. Okay, it is mandatory to perform the CSR activities only when it fulfills the conditions which is mentioned under Companies Act 2013. Chapter 2, objective of the studies. Here some of the examples I have written. Objective: to know the contribution of the CSR towards the society, to understand the proportion of the contribution, to understand the impact of the CSR, to understand the strategies of the companies towards stakeholders. So these all are some of the examples. You can add more objective of your particular study. Then you can go for the methodology. The methodology would be secondary data always, because you are referring the websites of the companies. Limitations of the study. These are also some of the examples. That's it. You can add more limitations. Chapter 3, content or analysis. So under content or analysis, you need to mention from which industry your company is from and what is the market share of the company. Then authorized or nominal capital. This is the maximum amount of the fund which can be raised from the public or from some other sources. From equity, how much is raised, in preference, how much is raised, and in debt securities, how much is raised, you need to mention. Then comes the financial aspects like total turnover, what is the previous year's total turnover, what is the previous year's profit, and how much amount is contributed for the corporate social responsibility activity. Okay, then areas and details of the CSR. So in which area, in which sector they are invested for the CSR. For example, in health, in infrastructure, in education, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, CM's National Relief Fund, Prime Minister's National Drip Fund, or else related to some blood camps, related to some awareness programs of the diseases. So these all are the CSR activities. So in which sector, in which area they are invested, and what is the impact of that is also very important. So this chapter 3 is the body of your assignment. Then chapter 4, findings. By studying these all things, what you found you need to mention. And chapter 5, suggestions. Then after conclusion, as usual, then you need to mention about bibliography and bibliography, or if you are referred only a websites, then bibliography only. Okay, right, a full address of the online articles or the websites. Okay, so this is about the paper, how you are going to prepare your assignment. The last date to submit your assignment is 1st of October. We'll inform you about the mode. It might be your online mode or else offline mode if the physical classes are started. Remember, handwritten assignments in this particular format and 1st October is the last day to submit your assignments. The rest of the companies I'm going to share you in the WhatsApp group and Google Classroom.